Welcome to my channel Tutorial ICSC. Number 22. What was Irwin's declaration on dominion status for India? Answer. Lord Irwin made an announcement that India will be provided self-government as an integral part of the British Empire. 23. Why was the British government eager to have the Gandhi-Irwin Pact? Answer. The British government was eager to have the Gandhi-Irwin Pact because they wanted Gandhiji to call off the civil disobedience movement. 24. When was the second roundtable conference held? Answer. The second roundtable conference was held from 7th September to 2nd December 1931 in London. 7th September to 2nd December 1931 in London. 25. Why was Gandhiji disgusted at the second round table conference? Answer. Gandhiji disgusted at the second round table conference because nobody paid any attention to his demands for immediate and full responsible government for India. 26. What was the declared by the British by the Communal Award of 1932? Answer. The Communal Award provided for separate Hindu, Harijan and Muslim electorates for the new federal legislature, treating Hindus and Harijans as two separate political entities. 27. What change in the communal award was brought about by the Pune Pact? Who was responsible for bringing about this change? Answer. According to the Pune Pact, the system of separate electorates was replaced by the reservation of seats for Harijans. Dr. Ambedkar was responsible for bringing about this change. 28. When did the third round table conference take place? Answer. The third round table conference took place in London from 17th November to 24th December 1932. 29. Mention any two effects of the Satyagraha and non-cooperation movement started by Gandhiji. Answer. The two effects of Satyagraha and non-cooperation movement started by Gandhiji are as follows. 1. The Indian people made khadi cloth by making use of charkhas. 2. Several national institutions like Jamia Millia Kashi Vidyapith were set up. 30. Briefly state how Gandhiji introduced moral values into politics. Answer. Gandhiji introduced moral values into politics. He used human courage, patience and suffering as vehicles to achieve higher goals in life. He advocated legal and extra-legal methods but not immoral and dishonest methods to achieve India's freedom. Next. 31. How does the philosophy of Satyagraha affect the evildoer? Answer. A satyagrahi would refuse to submit to whatever he considers to be wrong and would remain peaceful under provocation. He would suffer but would not inflict sufferings on others. This attitude of the satyagraha will arouse the conscience of the evildoer. 32. Name any three leading figures who participate in the non-cooperation movement. Answer. The three leaders who participated in the non-cooperation movement were 1. Dr. Zakir Hussain, 2. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, 3. Rabindranath Tagore. 31. What was the reaction of the Indians to the Rowlatt Act? Answer. The Indians opposed the Rowlatt Act like wildfire. An all India Hartal was observed on 8 April 1919. Meetings were held all over the country to show people's resentment to the inhuman repressive measures. Full stop. The Indian press also gave full support to mass agitation. तो जगह कम पड़ गया था इसलिए ऐसे लिखा है. Last line. The Indian press also gave full support to mass agitation. 34. Name three congressmen who were opposed to the principles of the Swaraj Party. 1. Jawaharlal Nehru, 2. Sardar Patel, 3. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 35. Mention any two achievements of the Swaraj Party. Answer. 1. The leaders got opportunity to get familiar with the rules and procedures of legislative assemblies. 2. They drew attention of the government towards the problems such as protection to Indian industries, necessity to reduce taxes and duties and railway fares, etc. 36. Why was the Simon Commission set up? Why was the commission so called? Answer. The Simon Commission was set up in 1927 to assess the merits of the Government of India Act of 1919. Full stop. It was known as the Simon Commission after its chairman Sir John Simon. 37. What was the reaction of the Muslim League to the Nehru report? Answer. Jinnah opposed some provisions of the Nehru report on behalf of the Muslim League. In 1929, Jinnah put forward his famous 14 points as the minimum condition acceptable to the League for any political settlement. तो एक बार और. Jinnah opposed some provisions of the Nehru report on behalf of the Muslim League. In 1929, Jinnah put forward his famous 14 points as the minimum condition acceptable to the League for any political settlement. 38. Why did the Congress decide to boycott the first round table conference? Answer. The Congress decided to boycott the first round table conference because it wanted the summoning of a constituent assembly to draft a constitution for India, which the British government refused.